Na 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 na. Yeah. I'm not the type to be noticed.
Today we're going to be doing a little mukbang with your parliamentarian, your sophomore rep. Alright, today we're going to be eating this shrimp rolls. It's a little hot, but okay, let's get closer.
Oh, we have to do ASMR.
Oh! I can just tell this is like either Heinz or Kraft.
No, I got this. We get chopstick skills.
Really?
It's hot, but I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
Oh my god.
What's your rating?
Angel,
what's your rating
Right.
on this egg roll?
I think 8 out of 10 is really good.
It's alright, but you know.
It could use some sriracha.
What she said. Our food number 2?
It's so good. I give it another 10.
Okay, this is a carbon blue.
You didn't even eat it on the camera.
Okay. So good.
10 out of 10.
10.
That's a 10 out of 10.
So good. Next food we have
We have beef and broccoli, and it has all the good veggies in it.
oh well, let's eat beef first because Benton only has beef.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Knock us up out.
Cheers.
Does anybody else want the beef?
Honestly, not bad. I'll give this a 7.
You didn't give it. I also give it a 7.
Oh, welcome to our mukbang. So here we have some meat.
Ooh, you know what you should do? Put anything in there.
What do you have? Gobi?
Yeah.
Get with the phone.
Okay, this is our 4th course, so let's
Yeah,
try
4th
it.
course.
Cheers.
Oh wait, I need this.
Cheers, Benson. Oh.
It's real good.
Like 2 more dishes.
Alright.
It's a little dry.
Yeah. Alright, it's a little flavorless. I'll give it a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
I give it a 3.
You don't fuck with it. Oh. This is it for the low main vegetable.
So here we are. Sesame. Yeah, it's so good.
My white pants!
We're both wearing white pants. It's over.
Technical difficulties here. Ready, guys? Let's think it. Will be hot chewy. I think that's the point. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like.
Okay.
It tastes good.
I thought it would be crunchy.
Me too. It's not crunchy, it's chewy.
Yeah, there's like a hint of crunch. But I would say, I would give this an 8. This one's not bad.
No, I'll give it a 6.
7.
That was the 5th course meal.
5th course meal.
This is our 6th course meal, and this is the crispy tofu salt pepper. Yeah. Cheers. You don't want to put it on this.
Okay.
Hot but good. I'll give this a solid 8.
Oh no.
It's okay. Solid 8. Everybody's rating?
I give it a 6.5. I give it a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
I give it a 6.
It's burning like flames.
We'll come back for course 7. Look at that. Oh no. Alright guys, we're gonna do this really quick. But this is our 8-course meal. It's a cheesecake I bought.
This is so good.
Okay,
This looks so good.
Gotta get the crumbs too. Cheers! Bye. Okay guys, we're back. But let's see. This was actually it's so worth the $30. This strawberry. 10 out of 10.
It's so good.
Thank you for watching me and Benson's mukbang.
No,
Hope to see you guys.
I'm gonna Ooh.